Hey y'all, I am sending you this instructional video for how to do peer review online just on the off chance that we don't have school tomorrow or we are delayed. I hope you are dry and safe and warm wherever you are. We got a little dusting of snow and some rain, but nothing exciting, so feel free to send me some remind pictures if you got a bunch of snow because I'm super jealous. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do is come over here and click on assignments and course materials. And once we get here, you will see that I have put your final proposal peer review folder right here at the top. And note that this only applies if we do not have class on Monday, tomorrow. So if we do have class tomorrow, then you need to come with your paper, print it out, ready for peer review as always. But if not, then this is what we're going to do. So I'm just planning ahead. All right, so this is our group folder right here. And you will see that I have attached the argument peer review sheet, the final one. Actually, I have downloaded the wrong sheet, so I'm going to fix that. But your peer review sheet will be right here. And I will download the right one so that you have it. That is from 111. Okay, so you need to download this when I have the correct one here. Download it to your computer so that you have a copy to edit for your partner's paper. Okay, so you're going to click on each final proposal group until you see your name. Make sure you watch the instructional video, which you're doing now, and read the directions at the top of the group link. You must peer review everyone's paper in your group. I put you guys in groups of 2 because these papers are very long and there's a lot to look for, and you only have 24 hours to do it. So I just put you in groups of 2. The deadline to upload your paper is tomorrow at 11 a.m., which is class time. The deadline to have the other paper reviewed is Tuesday at class time. Now understand this, if you don't upload your paper, then nobody in the other person in your group has nothing to look at. So you absolutely must have your paper uploaded to the file exchange. And I'll show you how to do that now. So this is not optional. You do not need a 0. This is the last week of class and nobody needs a 0. Okay, so we're going to click right here on Final Proposal Peer Review. And you'll see that there are a lot of groups listed. And you'll also see that Blackboard lists things by ones. So we go from group 1 to group 10 to group 11 and then group 2 because Blackboard's smart like that. Okay, look for your name in the groups listed, then upload your paper to the file exchange. So we're going to look right here at peer review group 1 and we'll read the directions once we get in here. Scroll down a little bit. Okay, look for your name in the groups listed. Your name will be right in here. Then upload your paper to the file exchange. File exchange is right down here. Review each person's paper in your group using the peer review sheet provided. Once you've saved your changes to their paper and made your comments on the peer review sheet, you're going to upload both the paper and the peer review sheet back to the file exchange with the person's name on the file. So for example, I would upload my own paper as Baker Proposal. Then I would upload my group members' papers like this. So if I were in this group right here and I was editing Xander's paper, I would say Vic paper reviewed by Baker. Vic peer review sheet by Baker. And if Carolyn were in this group, it would say Fields paper reviewed by Baker, Fields peer review sheet by Baker. Okay? So that way they know that you have read it, edited it, and uploaded it back to the file exchange. Okay. So, and again, make sure you watch this video. You have to review all the papers in your group to get full credit. So the file exchange is down here. So after you've read the directions, you're going to click on file exchange. And you should see nothing here if you're the first person to upload. If you are the second person to upload, then you should see the other person's file right here. So don't worry if it's blank. So we click on add file, and then we come down and you're going to name it, again, if this were my paper, I would name it Baker Proposal. Then you hit browse my computer and you would upload your paper however you normally do that. Find your paper, name it correctly, and then hit submit. I'm not hitting submit because I don't have anything to upload. Okay, then once I've reviewed that paper and I've written all over it, saved it, and when I say write all over it, I mean go in and highlight in Word. You can change the font color to red or do whatever it is you need to do to edit. And you need to be typing on that peer review sheet for sure, okay? You're going to save those to your computer. Then you'll come back here, and again, once you're done with the peer review, you'll hit Add File and do the same thing. Browse my computer, upload those documents, hit Submit, and then all of it should be in the file exchange. So by the time you're done, you should have 3 documents. That should be your original paper, the other person's paper, and the other person's peer review sheet. Okay? So that's really all there is to it. Again, sorry about the the 111 argument peer review sheet. I'm going to fix that for you and make sure that you have the right one. So this is only if we don't have class tomorrow. If we do have class, I will see you at 11. Be super careful, but just make sure that we've got those papers. If you've got any questions or concerns, email me, text me, whatever it is you need to do. I will be hanging around today waiting to see if anybody's got questions or concerns, okay? All right, be safe.